I'm Noah. I'm a part of the SGFECC leadership team, and we're a group of students, faculty, and professionals that work to make SGFECC a meaningful and seamless event.
As a student, this truly has been such a rewarding experience because I've been able to foster such valuable connections.
SGFECC has given me hands-on learning opportunities that I wouldn't have been able to get anywhere else. If you'd like to stay up to date on SGFECC, follow us on LinkedIn and check out our website.